chest, you know. Look.
My little homie caught a case, he fighting life, dawg. Couldn't tell you if it's wrong, if it's right. But angels ain't around here at night, dawg. So all we got is devils in our sight. But me, I went from a felon to your favorite rapper. See, I'm from a place where niggas just don't make it at 'em. See, I'm from a place where if you doing good, then the more likely they'll kill you, cause the money what they chasing after. Had a friend lose his life over a 20 sack, with 7 shots to his abdomen, ain't no coming back. See, I used to run the streets with him sipping on 40s, but ever since they took his life, I've been done with that. Nah, I ain't too proud of my past, but I did what I did. Where I'm from, you either getting shot or giving a bid. Really, nigga, we just trying to live. But why it seem like cops getting promoted for killing a kid? It's like God works against us. Why I feel like cops don't protect us? All this anger in my heart, too young to understand the real reason why my pops really left us. The judge gave him 7 years, hoping his cell turns to a grave. Just another minority in a cage. And I know this shit probably won't never change, but I won't sit around like it's okay. I've been looking for a way, nigga. I've been looking for a way. Does God even hear me pray, nigga? Don't tell me it's gonna be okay. Did God even hear me pray when I spoke to him? Does God even feel my pain when I go through it? And do you know what it feels like to put a gun to your head, but ain't nobody saying don't do it? I hit the bottom, but I got back on my feet, nigga. I wanted peace, I ain't plan on packing a piece, nigga. It gets deep, these people wanna be street, but there's a difference in being a real nigga in the street, nigga. Pray the Lord forgive me for my sins, knowing that I do it all again. Me, I never break, I never bend. The pressure coming in, but I think it's funny how they judge me not knowing about my pain or where I've been. I'm losing all my friends, I don't wanna end up here again. I feel like the cycle never ends, it never really ends. I just got to call my little homie lost his life and all I'm thinking is revenge. Sipping Henny and taking shots till I can't feel. I mean, I still feel the pressure, but I just can't feel. Can't believe what I'm seeing and what I'm hearing, man. I'm staring at the news like, homie, this shit just ain't real. I've been losing my faith, my friends fading away. Even though I'm not too sure he knows that I exist, I just pray the Lord forgive me for my sins.